Hey everyone! I hope you're all feeling well rested because we've got an exciting week up ahead. So, welcome to the last week of our Health for All sprint. Last time we talked about why testing your idea is important, the different kinds of tests that you can run, and how to best collect, organize, and utilize the feedback that you receive. So, now that you have all your preliminary tests for your idea, it's time to compile and organize all of your findings in order to be able to clearly present your solution. This week, you're going to be learning about 1. Conceptualizing your business model, and 2. Pitching your solution in front of an audience. So, you've developed a working prototype or MVP of your solution, and you have a pretty clear idea of how your social enterprise will actually take form. Now it's time to take all of your learnings from this sprint program and compile everything in your business model in order to clearly define 3 things: your social enterprise's mission, its operating strategy, and its resource strategy. Don't worry, I'll be talking more about what these mean when I present to you the canvases. In any case, all the information that you need to define your business model is information that you've already gathered in the different weeks of this sprint. You got this. Once you have all the information together, you're going to have a much clearer picture of how feasible, viable, and desirable your idea actually is. Now, when you've completed creating your business model, you're going to want to know how to effectively present your solution to possible investors, partners, customers, and so on. And that's why we've created a step-by-step guide to help you craft the perfect pitch. I'm going to be guiding you on the different steps behind pitching an idea. So in this final week, you have 2 canvases: the business model canvas and the pitching canvas. So the business model canvas will give you clarity on the desirability, feasibility, and viability of your project. Let's go over each one of these factors and the information you need to provide. So desirability is user-focused. Are you offering something that your users want and gain considerable value from? You start with your expected impact and then your value proposition. So your value proposition is simply what benefit you provide, for who, and how. For example, Grab has 2 primary value propositions, one for users and another for drivers. For users, it's this: with a few taps of your phone, you can get a ride around the city with no cash necessary. For drivers, it's this: with a car, a smartphone, and some free time, you can earn some extra income. After that, you identify your target customers, how you're going to reach them, and the relationship you want to establish with them. How do you want them to relate to your solution and interact with it? The next, feasibility, is delivery focused. Do you have the tools to achieve your goals? Are you working with the right people and resources to carry out the activities that you want? The last, viability, is focused on economics. Will your income and expenses balance out so that you are running a sustainable business venture? Do you generate revenue through a product, a service, through a subscription? What are your fixed and variable costs? Feel free to search these terms further as they're lengthy topics on their own. The second canvas on pitching gives you a structure that you can use for any project. Feel free to make different lengths of pitches. For example, you can have a 30-second pitch and a 2-minute pitch, so you're ready for any scenario. I'll pitch you Make Sense using this structure to show you what using this canvas can help you achieve. Here we go. Think about the challenges faced all over the world that you care about. It could be accessible healthcare or plastic waste. Doesn't it seem overwhelming? So intimidating for one person to make a change. Make Sense helps solve that by empowering citizens to take impactful action on the advocacies they care about. We work to build communities, train social entrepreneurs, and partner with large organizations to create positive change. Our vision for 2030 is to have 10% of the Philippines' youth taking action for an inclusive and sustainable world. If you believe in this and want to get something started, visit our website at philippines.makesense.org and get in touch with us. Voila! So, that's it for our last week. I hope you've all learned a lot from our sprint program, and it's really been a pleasure seeing all of you quickly develop your ideas. As always, don't forget to schedule a call with your mentors and your buddy. So, good luck with this week's task, and please let me know if there's anything I can do to support you.